From Max, from the sand desert. No, this is cement desert. It's hot like hell. As you see, the cathedral reflect the sun like it's night, and the light of the beam light from the car, And as you see, you can see the bag. I just make a video where I do the process to make them waterproof, and I spray something on them, and also I install them in this way with the four, these things is kind of things to put your helmet on your motorcycle. And here we put some strap to fix the bag very well, and it fit very well. Okay, it doesn't move. So we have here a very cheap but a very good bike parking setup. Just finished. Thank you so much. See you next video. Remember to subscribe, like, share, follow the channel, follow the playlist, put like, subscribe. And here from China, Jining, Shandong, we say you goodbye.